crypto tax, a topic that's not very well understood. A lot of people even saying crypto is not regulated, we don't have to pay tax. But that is certainly not true. You guys have asked for it, so I've gone out and consulted with some of the top crypto tax experts in South Africa. And I'm lucky enough to have secured one of those tax experts as a guest speaker on this show. That's right, we're going to be talking tax in the weeks to come. Good morning, everybody. So I've gone out and I've spoken to Crypto Tax Consulting. I spoke to Thomas Lubin at the company. And these guys are crypto tax experts, and they're going to be on the show to help us with our tax questions. So what I've done is I've compiled a list of tax questions that I think are pertinent, a list that I need answers to. But now it's your turn. I'm asking for audience participation. I'm asking the members of this YouTube community, my subscribers, if you've got a tax question that you need answers to, I'd ask you to put that question in the comments below. I'm going to compile a complete list of not only my questions, but also your questions. And then when we get Crypto Tax Consulting on the show, we're going to go through all of these questions and get answers to our tax questions. We want to find out what are our tax obligations to SARS and make sure that we are not falling behind with any tax issues that we have to comply to. Guys, we're going to be asking questions like, what if I bought Bitcoin or in fact any cryptocurrency a while back and it has increased tremendously in value? What is my tax obligation? Do I have to pay tax on that? Do I have to declare that to SARS? Or what do I need to do in a scenario like that? Also, you might be asking, if you're under 18 and you've done very well in crypto, what are your obligations? Do you need to register and pay tax? Or if you bought cryptocurrency and the price plummeted, are you allowed to claim back from SARS? Or what is the situation in that scenario? Or maybe you've got a lot of crypto and you've been investing it and you've been earning interest on that cryptocurrency. Are you obliged to declare and pay taxes on the interest that you've earned in crypto? Those questions and many, many more are going to be answered in the next couple of weeks. Now, guys, I fortunately got them to agree to come onto my show and to talk about taxes. But this is going to happen in the next couple of weeks. It's not going to happen next week. We need some time to coordinate and make sure that everyone is able to take the interview and deliver the best possible tax content to you guys. Another thing that I wanted to discuss, I've spoken to a lot of people about tax. And a lot of people have said to me, oh, I don't want to pay tax. I don't want to earn any money. I don't want to pay tax. Now, while I can understand that, I'm going to ask you to maybe just consider another point of view. Let me try and change your mindset. I want to pay as much tax as possible. Wait, just bear with me. The reason I want to pay as much tax as possible is because if I'm paying tax, it means I'm earning money. I'm making money to support my family, to support myself. If I say, I don't want to pay any tax, I don't want to earn any money, it might be a poverty mindset. You're so scared of having to pay tax that you restrict yourself from earning money. Maybe flip the script. Think of it in a different way. Start to say, I want to pay as much tax as possible, because that way you're not scared to earn as much money as possible. And is tax really a bad thing? Remember, by paying tax, you're supporting the country, you're supporting your community. But more importantly, you're supporting yourself, you're supporting your family, and you're creating a better financial future for everyone. Just my take on tax and why I want to try and put myself in a position to pay as much tax as possible, because I'm not scared of earning as much money as possible. Guys, if you want to be kept up to date with what is happening in the crypto space, specifically in South Africa, and you want to make sure that you don't miss this all-important tax-related crypto video, make sure that you smash the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell. Because in the next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I'm not sure when we'll be able to coordinate it, but we are going to be giving you a fully packed video on tax, and what your obligations are to SARS and what you need to know about crypto and tax. That's it from me. I'm out.